iPhone 14 Pro, how to take 48-megapixel ProRAW photos. The enhanced rear camera system on the iPhone 14 Pro models can capture 48-megapixel images, but only in ProRAW mode. I will explain what ProRAW is and how to enable it. The main lens's 48-megapixel boost is Apple's largest camera improvement for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max versions. Apple says the new sensor also comes with a new machine learning model which delivers sharper images and less noise for previously unseen detail. However, this only applies when taking ProRAW shots at 48 megapixels. Otherwise, the camera defaults to shooting in 12-megapixel resolution, similar to iPhone 13 models. Let me explain why. ProRAW is a 10-bit file that employs linear DNG to preserve more data and dynamic range, giving you greater freedom to alter exposure and white balance. These files require a lot of storage since a ProRAW image has a resolution of 8064 by 6048 pixels. They can be as large as 75 megabytes, which is 3 times the size of a typical 12-megapixel photograph. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone 14 Pro. Scroll down and tap through to Camera. Tap Formats. Under Photo Capture, switch on the toggle next to Apple ProRAW. Make sure the ProRAW resolution setting that appears is set to 48MP. When you go into the Camera app, tap the ProRAW icon in the top right of the interface so that it is no longer crossed out, then you're ready to point and shoot. Note that night mode, flash and macros are always saved at 12 megapixels.